Saan nga ba located yung location ninyo, par, kung sakaling may big time company ng diesel, oil at gas na gustong magsunog, mag-establish ng pabrika ng mga ganyan, magsusunog 24/7? Ito yung Surigao del Norte, dito yung Pantalan, tatravel ka lang ng 2 to 3 hours to 4 hours. Marireach mo na yung Tagbi na Surigao del Sur. Pwede ka nang dun. You can go ahead. Kaya naman, i-message mo na lang to. Kasi lupain din naman namin yung ini-introduce ko. It could be private. It is called as private transaction. Pwede tayong gumawa ng business together. Nandun yung coconut, nandun yung coal, nandun yung running water ng tubig, nandun yung rubber, nandun yung lumber. Good na yon, good to go. At saka malapit siya sa Pantalan.